Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Today we have declared Goa as a rabies controlled state. So please understand, I want everyone to understand that rabies controlled state does not mean it is a rabies free state. So we have to continue vaccinating our dogs. Now, what is going to happen? Because Goa is declared as a rabies controlled state, this vaccination of stray dogs on the road is going to be reduced, and it is going to be focused on this static point vaccinations. So static point vaccinations will be organized henceforth involving the local panchayats. We have 191 panchayats. If we have at least 100 vaccinations in each panchayat, we can easily achieve 19 to 20,000 vaccinations in a year. And these pseudo-owner dogs are being fed and looked after by animal feeders. During this lockdown, when everything was closed, Department of Animal Husbandry has issued passes, and there are, I think, quite a lot. There are about 300 passes we have issued to dog feeders to feed these dogs, because these dogs were not having any food. They were stranded. All the hotels, restaurants, everything was closed. So this is the time we have realized that there are a lot of dog feeders. So if we could get a database, rope in these dog feeders, and organize these static point vaccinations henceforth with the help of their inputs in areas where they want, I think we'll get a much better response.